All right, you've got your pre-approval, you've started looking at homes online, and you're feeling excited. But what comes next? Welcome to our series on the essential steps for first-time home buyers. If you missed the first 5 steps, make sure to check out Part 1. Today, we're diving into the crucial next 5 steps that will take you from house hunter to happy homeowner. Let's jump right in. Step number 6 is to understand your loan options. Getting pre-approved is just the first hurdle. Now, you need to dig deeper. Not all mortgages are the same. You'll hear terms like conventional FHA, VA, and USDA loans. Each has different rules about down payments, credit scores, and long-term costs. For example, an FHA loan might let you buy a home with a lower down payment, but you might pay mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. A conventional loan might require more down, but you could avoid that extra insurance. On top of that, there are amazing programs out there like down payment assistance, first-time buyer grants, and special lender credits. The more you know about these options, the more power you have. You're not just buying a house, you're making a huge financial decision. Choosing the right loan can save you thousands and set you up for a secure future. Next up, Step 7. Know the true market value before you make an offer. This is so important. The price you see on Zillow or Redfin, that's the list price. It's a marketing number, a starting point. The real value, the fair market value, is based on hard data. It's determined by what similar homes in the neighborhood have recently sold for the condition of the property and current market trends. This is where Kevin Thomas, a great local real estate agent, becomes your secret weapon. I run detailed analysis called comps for my clients that have been able to narrow down their selection. We look at everything to make sure you're not overpaying, but you're still making an offer strong enough to win. Smart buyers don't just get the house. They protect their investment from day one. Okay, let's talk about Step 8, preparing for earnest money, appraisals, and contingencies. Once your offer is accepted, congratulations. This is where the real work begins. You'll need to submit earnest money, which is typically 1 to 3% of the purchase price. It's like a security deposit that shows the seller you're serious. Then, your lender will order an appraisal to make sure the home is worth what you are paying for it. And finally, we have contingencies. Think of these as your safety nets. You'll have an inspection contingency to check for hidden problems, a financing contingency in case your loan falls through, and an appraisal contingency if the home's value comes in low. Understanding these parts of the contract up front will save you a ton of stress and keep you in the driver's seat. We're almost to the finish line. Step 9 is one you absolutely cannot skip. The final walkthrough. Just before you head to the closing table, you get one last chance to visit the property. This isn't just a quick peek. You need to be thorough. Are all the repairs the seller agreed to actually finished? Is the home in the same condition as when you first saw it? Has anything been damaged during the move-out? Is the seller leaving everything they promised? I've seen situations where a seller took their fancy washer and dryer they said they would leave behind. The final walkthrough is your last chance to catch these issues. It's what ensures your closing day is full of excitement and not last-minute drama. And finally, Step 10. Plan for life after closing. Getting the keys is an amazing feeling, but it's the beginning of a new chapter, not the end of the story. Home ownership comes with new responsibilities. You need to budget for routine maintenance, think about future upgrades you might want, and most importantly, have an emergency fund for unexpected repairs. For example, a water heater can break at the worst possible time. You'll also have new bills like property taxes and utilities, but it's not just about expenses. A home is a powerful financial asset. Thinking ahead about how to build equity and maintain its value will help you create a place you're truly proud to call home. There you have it, 5 more essential steps every first-time home buyer needs to know. It might seem like a lot, but with the right guidance and partnership with Kevin Thomas, you can navigate this journey with confidence. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more real estate tips. Also, in the comment section, you will find my website address, client testimonials link, and my other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.